Welcome back to our debt-free insider channel. Think dining out is just a harmless treat? Think again. In Canada, eating out isn't just about convenience anymore. Whether it's fast food or fine dining, many Canadians are paying more than they should, often without receiving the quality of service they expect. The real cost? Drained bank accounts, maxed out credit cards, and a growing risk of debt leading to poverty. Sound extreme? Stick with us, we are breaking down and providing an eye-opening reality behind dining out in Canada. Before we dive into it, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Your support helps us grow the channel, allowing us to bring you more important information on debt and finances. Let's talk numbers. The average Canadian household spends around $3,200 per year eating out. This doesn't include tax, tips, alcohol, delivery charges, quick $15 lunches at work, or coffee runs. A more realistic yearly dining out average would be closer to $5,000. If we look at weekly, about $100. We all like to go out to eat. It's fun, social, and convenient. We need to remember that restaurants charge a premium for that privilege. That $25 meal you had, not including tax, tip, and beverage, cost them $6. Imagine if you cooked at home instead. Let's say the average cost in Canada, with everything included, is $80. The same steak at a butcher is $25. And we throw in all the fixing, a total of $35. And we are making it higher. But that is $45 saved. Here's where it gets dangerous. Many Canadians put restaurant meals on credit cards, thinking it's just a small expense. But with interest rates of 20% or more, that $50 dinner could turn into $60 or $70 or more, if you carry a balance. If you see you are spending a lot on dining out and need an action plan, here is how to have the best of both worlds. First, set a restaurant budget. Limit dining out to special occasions or once a week. Second, try a restaurant swap challenge. For every meal out, cook one similar meal at home and compare the savings. 3. Use cashback or rewards. If you do eat out, use credit cards with cashback on dining to at least get something back. Finally, meal prep like a pro, plan ahead, cook at home, and watch your bank account grow instead of shrink. As mentioned before, we all like to eat out. If we are careful using a plan, we can have the best of both worlds without going into debt or poverty. Cheers! I hope this helped and informed you. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. It helps us grow the channel, allowing us to bring you more important information on debt and finances.